Imagine watching your entire retirement savings evaporate because the markets tank again. But what if I told you some of the wealthiest investors in America are quietly hoarding something you can get too? Let me tell you about Carl Jennings, a 68-year-old retired airline engineer from Scottsdale, Arizona. After watching the markets whip around like a roller coaster last year, Carl made a quiet move most people never heard about. He shifted exactly $678,200 from his 401k into a Gold IRA. Why? Because he saw what was coming, just like the billionaires. Here's the reality. According to a March 2025 report by Bloomberg, top hedge funds have increased their exposure to precious metals by over 40% since Q4 of last year. Meanwhile, JP Morgan Chase issued a statement warning clients to brace for a prolonged stagflationary environment. That's code for high inflation, low growth, and potentially years of uncertainty. But why are investors like Carl following the big money into gold? It's not just about profit, it's about protection. Carl told me, "I didn't move to gold because I'm trying to get rich. I moved to gold because I don't want to get poor." And he's not alone. A growing number of retirees are discovering that traditional retirement accounts, tied to the stock market or the dollar, leave them totally exposed when things go sideways. Meanwhile, gold has quietly outperformed the S&P 500 over the past 12 months. No drama, no headlines, just solid, tangible value. Still, here's the part most people miss. Rolling over into a gold IRA isn't complicated. Carl did it in under 2 weeks, tax-free. Now, he sleeps better at night knowing his nest egg is tied to something real. Not printed, not speculative, just real. And don't think this is just for billionaires. Americans from all walks of life are catching on, especially those nearing retirement. They're not hoarding crypto. They're not hoarding stocks. They're hoarding gold. Because when things go bad, gold doesn't blink. So let me ask you, how protected is your retirement? If you want to learn how to do what Carl did, how to hedge your nest egg against inflation, banking failures, and government debt spirals, click the link below. I've put together a free guide that walks you through exactly how to roll part of your 401k or IRA into physical gold, step by step. Protect what you've built. Preserve what you've earned. Leave something solid behind. You've worked your whole life to build your retirement. Now it's time to guard it like the pros do. Because the top investors, they know something you don't. And now you do too.